Welcome to this Sahara 4 exercise. In this exercise, we will import well nodes from a file to our Sahara project. In general, well nodes are text associated to each object at certain dates, which contain information of interest for production history analysis, diagnosis, and repair forecasting. The nodes have an author and can have associated top and base. Additionally, they are classified in different categories: general, meeting, drilling, workover, pulling, pending, and others are the default categories. The user can edit them and create new ones from edit variables nodes categories. That will allow you to create new categories for your new nodes. Now let's go to our Sora project, and once here, let's select project, import import objects nodes, and here we will go to our Excel file and select the worksheet user nodes. That should be over here, user nodes. Here we can see that we have the ID that is going to associate the node to the object, which who is the author of the node. In this case, all of them are going to be just user as default. The date in which the node is associated to, in which the information is relevant, the category. In this case, we are using all native categories. We are not creating any user variable category for this in this opportunity, and the text. This is going to show the information, the text that we want to import. So let's go here and just click on import. Something relevant here is that you can also include top and base of the node that will associate the node to a certain depth. That is an optional feature that you can use, and then see those nodes and in Wellworks and such. So let's import. Here we see that the information was correctly imported, and we can close this window now. So that will be everything for this tutorial, and thank you for watching. In the next tutorial, we will show how to select these nodes and display them on the production window. So thank you for watching and have a great day.